This is the new Evergreen model by Wardcraft Homes, 1736 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. We start off with a nice craftsman front door, 3 windows for plenty of light coming into your living room with a cathedral ceiling going into the kitchen. The kitchen will feature maple cabinets with pioneer square doors, a fully tiled backsplash with streamlined 3x6 matte Arctic tile for a very nice modern look. Those are laminate countertops, and this is a Moen farmhouse kitchen sink. Really nice feature. It's a 6-foot Pella patio door in your dining room. And now we'll go into bedroom number 3, which is 14 foot 7.5 inches by 12 foot 3 inches. There'll be a single Pella window in this with some nice bypass doors. Those are 2-panel with built-in shelving. Now we'll go into bathroom number 2, which features a 42-inch vanity, some shelves right there. Standard tub shower and tongue and groove plank ceiling, which is featured in both the bathrooms of this home. Very nice look. We're headed into bedroom number 2 now, which again is 12 foot 3 inches by 10 foot 10 inches. It's a good look at the cathedral ceiling there. Well, now we'll head into the pantry. This pantry is actually pretty deep at 4 foot with 5 shelves on the right, left, and center. Plenty of space for all your kitchen goods. This is actually one of 2 pantries. You can also use another section located out the master bedroom right there off to the left between the laundry and the master as an additional pantry. There it is with the doors closed. Off to the left there is your laundry, but we're going to swing around and show you where your stairs will be. Really nice window here, and this is an L-shaped stairway. You'll see some of your ductwork is shipped loose in this space right there. Nice wood cap on your half wall. This is going into the laundry. This will be the door that you'd come through from the garage. And a built-in shelf that would go above your washer dryer. And we're going to swing around the hallway one more time into the master bedroom. Off to the right there you'll have the master bathroom. You're going to have 2 windows. And this room is 14 foot 10 inches by 14 foot. You're going to have a really nice sized walk-in closet that's 4 foot 8 inches. There you'll see this single pole for large hanging clothes, double pole down the center, and off to the right you'll have 4 shelves for shoes or sweaters. In the master bathroom we have 60-inch vanity with a single sink, black lighting fixtures, Moen faucets, black door handle, and accessories. You're going to have this 18-inch linen cabinet for towels, etc., all your storage, and a standard shower. The shower doors are not installed until this home is on site. You're going to see the tongue and groove ceilings once again that are featured in both of the bathrooms. If you're interested in this home, call 188-WARDCRAFT or 188-927-3272 for pricing.